What's up? It's the Golden Gamer. This is my first gaming video in, like, I don't know, maybe 2 weeks. I know I made a video yesterday, but I don't even know if it's up since, like, I think I'm gonna upload buttons on today, but it's not gonna count as the second video for today. Anyways, guys, I have some awesome news. I have a new soundboard. So check this out. Yeah. Oh, my personal favorite.
Smoke weed every day.
Classic. It's been around since not so long. Anyway, my favorite one. Hold on, wait. My favorite one. Wait. I'm looking for my favorite one. Yeah, here. Oh, I even have Sonic Hedgehog. So yeah, we're just gonna jam to this. Heck yeah. That's enough. It sounds horrible. Okay, sorry. Oh, I'm purple. Oh, my internet connection sucks. So it's not laggy at all. Come on. Edgario. Get in my belly. Yes. Ah. No. Oh, wait, no. Wait, no. I thought I could make it. Rest in peace. Yellow. Purple, whatever I really want. Today's a new day. Oh, and another glitchy server. Just wait for that to go. No! Alright. Come on. No! Maneuvering my way. Make my way downtown. Walking back to my fish. She's gonna make me stand. No, leave me alone. Lemon, no! I thought I could do something. Okay. Do this, guys. I don't think I can afford this. Yeah. Oh, no. No, come on, man. Wait, just wait for it to load. Wait, no. Obama has Ebola, la. Ebola. We should live in Africa. Oh yeah, guys, I think some of my content's gonna be a little bit more for the older half of the audience.
Oh my gosh!
I don't know, but I'll still make kid-friendly videos.
I typed in Obama.
Uh-oh. He's supersized. Uh-oh. No. Come on. Sonic music. Cue the Sonic music. Yeah. Oh yeah, let's do it. Come on. Oh yeah, that's the best horrible music I've ever heard. Oh yeah, come on. Come on. Oh yeah. Come on. Yeah, come on. James fell. James, never mind. Yeah, no, wait, no. We'll see to your little brother. What's his name? Jimmy? That's enough, Sonic. It's enough out of you, Sonic. Uh-oh. Come on. Yes. Yes.
Read it.
Yes. Come on. I need somebody in my stomach. Oh, come on. I know I can use you. No. Okay. Oh, I should read it. Come on, get wrecked, son. Come on, get wrecked. Come on. I swear I'm gonna do Look, one thing to find in this one. Oh, wait, no, you got too big. Oh, no. And guys, oh, ah. We were so close. We were so close. I was gonna make it to the top leaderboard. I was gonna make it. I was gonna get myself sound guys. Look at it. I can make it. Hey guys, I think Kitten Lover Iron Kitten or what's her current username is gonna be joining us. Oh yeah, and also looks like her YouTube channel has come to a halt, I guess. So
Yeah, I only saw 2 videos.
yeah, if you guys want to switch that up, you can.
I think it's like the Iron Kitten.
Yeah, I don't think she'll be uploading in a bit though.
Because the phone that was working on Moses.
I know.
And the thing I recorded with is gonna have to stop because the phone that I was recording with
Doesn't work.
charge.
Yeah. So we might get a new phone, might get a new tablet for her. We don't really know.
I might even get a tablet this.
Yeah. No Christmas time. Maybe around Christmas time.
I just need.
No! No, get rid.
Oh yeah, he showed me this app yesterday.
Yeah, no. Yeah, I got a new soundboard. New special effects.
Yay, Purple Obama!
So no offense guys, but no offense to my videos, but no more crappy resolution now. Or hornless jokes. I'm sorry, I just love that. Oh, thank you. Oh no, not the ads. I hate that. No.
I'm hungry.
Come on.
I'm hungry was just.
Oh, I wish we could get on the. Where's no scope at? Wait, no.
Damn, son.
Oh no, poo
What? Is it gonna poo poo?
poo.
Obama, no! Obama, you can do it. I just died. But Obama's making it, aka Kitten Lover, Iron Kitten. Oh!
No.
Gario.
No, I died.
Why is it Gario? Oh! Alex, you douche. Okay. Oh, wait, no, backward off started. Oh!
Obama. I'm Green Obama.
No.
Oh shit. No!
Come on, we need to do music.
What about sad violin?
No, I don't want sad violin. No, not sad violin. That's what nobody's thinking. Trying to work a soundboard and. Oh, wait, no. I know.
Smoke weed every day.
Oh, yeah. Come on. Okay, yeah.
I'm Red Obama.
I need to bring colors into this. No. Mexico, no. Mexico. No.
A big,
Face
huge
punch.
Obama's coming after me.
No, face punch, no.
Obama's after me. Look.
Oh, no. Oh,
Look.
shit.
Did you see that? Obama's over after me.
Obama's not after you. You keep running into him. Face punch, you better not. Don't need to think about it. Shark. No. Ain't going down like this. It ain't gonna happen like this. Die at a casino. And rob it. I have no money.
Oh
And
shoot!
that's why I decided to die.
I hate his little babies.
And
Look.
get popped.
Look how huge I am. I'm already to 120.
Guys.
128.
Guys, this is the most cowardice way to go. Yeah. No, I can't.
We can't get out of
eat
here
me.
because of this Obama.
Come on. Evaded like a pro. Oh, sorry for that. Server glitch. Yeah, must you don't even know.
I'm already with 104.
No. Oh.
No, I got 18.
Yeah, son. Oh, yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Can
Did you see me? Oh, wait, no. No, yeah, sad violin. Cue the sad violin. No. I was gonna make it. I was gonna give it some salad
I was
ass.
gonna make it because I was almost 155.
Oh my god, it's so much faster than. Okay. Oh, I'm advancing. No. No! Cue the sad violin horn. Just stop. Again, just stop. Not even funny.
No.
Blue. Okay, I'm on my game right now. Should split up on that. Sorry guys, trying to work a soundboard. Play Edgario at the same time. Oh, Edgario reference. Oh, get no scope.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
You know it's popular in my mouse and they even play this.
I know. Oh yeah, shout out to Popular Mimos. That's 3 out of 15. Okay, I think I'm gonna do a second one today. You don't know when it's coming. No. Okay. Well, guys, I think we're gonna have to end that video here. We're gonna be doing Minecraft map videos later, so I'll see you guys next time. Stay golden and iron, my friends. I'll see you guys next time.